Hey guys, so I want to show you really quickly how to use the Notes app to help get yourself and keep yourself organized. So first we need to find our Notes app, and usually it's on your home screen somewhere. I have it right here because I just opened it up not too long ago. If you use the Notes a lot to organize all of your work, it might be a good idea to put that into this part of your taskbar so it's really easy to find. So how you do that is you go to your Notes and you do a long hold, and it'll pop up a lot of options just like that. And then you go down to the bottom and you'll notice edit home screen. So let's select that. That makes all the apps wiggly. We touch it again, it gets bigger, and then we can move it around, and I'm going to put it right there in my taskbar. Super easy to do. I let go. I touch the screen one more time and everything stops. Okay, so once I'm here, I want to select the app, and then it automatically pops up a brand new note that you might want to use, or you can upload documents, which I'll show you in just a minute. But before I do that, I want to select this part up here where the notes in the back arrow. So I'm going to hit that, and then it's going to take me to this section. And in this section, I want to hit this up here, and this is a file organizer button. So I'm going to select that one more time, and then we have this option right here. And you'll notice down at the bottom, we have a file plus. So here's where I want to do. I want to select that, and then I want to name basically a folder for every single one of my classes. So let's say first I want to start with English 12. So I type in English 12, save. So automatically right here it populates. I'll do another one for, let's say, economics, right? Save. Okay, so now we have folders, and that's awesome. And I want to hold off on anything. I'm going to pull out. I'm going to download one of my my assignments from those classes. So I come out of that screen. I open up my assignment in Mr. Trout's Econ. Well, first of all, let me pull up Mr. Trout's Econ. I'll go to an assignment. Go to the most recent assignment that we had that I have to download. So open this up right here, and I download the PDF down here at the bottom, select it, and then up here I see that we have a send arrow, so I'm going to select that, and it's going to ask me how I want to open it. I can save the files, I can mark up right there, and then I'll have to save later. And then up here you'll see that we have the Notes app selected. So I'm going to select that. So I open it up in Notes. I'm going to save a new note, and I'm going to select it into economics, create new note, and then I'm going to title it Chapter 3, Lesson 2. Okay, save. All right, now it's saved in my notes. So I log out of that, open up my notes, I go to my econ, here it is, ready to go. And then I can select, of course, the markup right here, and I can start drawing as much as I need to. Cool. I hope this is helpful.